Hi guys, here's part 2 of rounding for today. Rounding part 2. Let's look at this first problem. It says round to the 100,000ths place. Well, first we have to determine which digit is in the 100,000s. Of course it is the 8. Okay, so we know that down below our low number is going to be 800,000. Our high number is going to be 100,000 more than that, which would be 900,000. Halfway between those two numbers, we would have 850,000. So now we look at our number, 879,512, and we can determine that as bigger than 850,000. So it would go right here, 879,502. So we would say that one would round to 900,000. Okay, here we have another number that we are going to round to the 100,000ths place. If we look in this number, of course, this is the ones period, and this is the thousands period. So this 3 is in the 100,000ths place. So down below, we have to put 6,300,000. So that is our low. So our high is going to be 6,400,000. Okay, so halfway between 6,300,000 and 6,400,000 would be 6,350,000. So we look at our actual number of 6,394,888. That would be larger than 6,350,000, so we would put it right here. And that one would round to 6,400,000. Continuing to round to the 100,000ths place, again we have the ones period, we have the thousands period, and of course this is the millions period. The number in the 100,000ths place is the 3. So I'm going to write all of the digits over to that 3. So what I'm going to write is 84 million, and that 3 is 300,000. Again, we're rounding it to the 100,000ths place. So our low is 84,300,000, which would make our high 84,400,000. And our mid would be 350,000. There we go. Okay, now to plug in the actual number, 84,329,000, it would be lower than 84,350,000. So we'd write the 84,329,999 here, and it would round to 84,300,000. In this next problem, it asks us to round to the millions place. So again, we have the ones period, the thousands period, and this is the millions period. The number that's in the millions place is the 5. Okay, so down below, I'm going to write 35 million because we are rounding it to the millions place. So I have to write the 3 and the 5 down there, so 35 million. Our high number is going to be 1 million more than that, which would be 36 million. Halfway between 35 million and 36 million, of course, we would have 35,500,000. So now we take our actual number of 35,694,275, and it would be right here. We would put it above that number. So we can see that this number rounds to 36 million. Okay, for the next one, we are continuing to round to the millions place. The 9 is in the millions place. So for my low, I'm going to write the numbers over to the 9. So I'm going to write 249 million as my low. My high number would have to be 1 million more than that because we're counting by millions. So that would be 250 million. Halfway between 249 million and 250 million would be 249,500,000. So now when we go to plug the actual number in, we will notice that 249,694,000 is bigger. So we would plug it in right here. We'd write 249,694,301 right here. And that one would round to 250 million. Okay. For the last one I'm going to show you, it says round to the 10 millions place. Well, of course, this would be the ones period, the thousands period, and the millions period. That means that the 8 is in the 10 millions place. So what I'm going to write down below is the 3 and the 8 to start out. So I'm going to write the 3 and the 8. Okay, that would be 3, 8, and then all the rest of them would become zeros. So when we look at what that says, it says 380 million. Okay, again, I'm counting by 10 million. So if my low is 380 million, then my high would have to be 390 million. Halfway between 380 million and 390 million would be 385 million. So now we look at our actual number. 389 million is obviously bigger than 385 million, so we plug our real number in here. 389,624,211 would round to 390 million. I hope you find this to be useful. You will have problems like this on your paper today. Good luck.